in this auspicious occasion of Assam State Level Gangnai Utsav, 1st December 2024, being held in the Bongo Bhavan, Silchar, organized by the Popai Chabra Research and Development Council, Northeast India. First of all, we thank the Popai Chabra Research and Development Council, Northeast India, for giving us this honor to welcome everyone in this special moment with our dance performance. The youth of Ragaibong would like to welcome you all with one of our Rongmei Naga or Kabui Naga cultural dance performed in our Gangnai festival every year. The name of the dance is Reng La, that is hornbill dance. But before the dancers start their performances, let us know what the song means since we perform our dance with respect to their songs. So here in this song, we are inviting all the guests and audiences to witness the youth of Ragaibong village dancing around with joy, just as those beautiful hornbills flapping their wings in the sky. Yes, the youth here are being compared to as the beautiful hornbill. So now, since we have got to know the meaning, let us enjoy the performance. And a very happy advance Ilang Gangnai, everyone. Thank you.
Lapu Jambe